Well, I picked me up one of these Duracell jump starter compressor work light. It's got a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug. It says it'll charge your cell phone. I just thought I would take it out of the box and let's take a look at it. I thought this might come in handy one of these days if I get stranded somewhere and need to quickly air up a tire or jump start my truck. You never know, you might want to charge your cell phone. So let's take this out of the box and see what it looks like. There's what it looks like. Looks like it comes with a set of instructions. Let's put glasses on here. There's your charging cables. Looks like positive and negative. Like right here, this place you can charge your cell phone. There's your cigarette lighter. There's your gauge, tell you how much air. Looks like this is your air compressor button, turn it on. And here's your work light, hold for light, so I'm just going to hold that in. And as you can see on the back, there's your work light. Turn that back off. Let's see. Right here is where you plug it in to charge it up. And I believe this right here, there's the cord that comes with it. That way you got something to actually plug into. And also in there is your air compressor nozzle. And it actually comes with a couple extra nozzles, look like a little blower, one to air up tires. Got one there to, if you want to air up a basketball or a football, something like that. So I'm not going to go into a whole lot of details. If you want to know how to jump start a car, I'm sure there's plenty of videos out there. But one thing it will do 750 peak amps. This is made, I believe, for up to an 8-cylinder, so it will take the 4, 6, and 8-cylinder. Here's where you turn your power on and off. Jump start power. That's just real simple, just 2 switches, on and off. And that's basically all there is to it. Hope this helped you out. Like I say, there is a set of instructions comes with it. But this little thing's pretty self-explanatory. Just charge it up, put it in your truck. Next time you need it, hopefully you won't need it, but if you do, it'll be there for you. So hopefully this little unboxing and showing you about this helped you out. Maybe it'll help you decide whether you want one of these or not. I will mention these are a little heavier than you think. They're not just a little lightweight piece of machinery. It's actually fairly heavy, so might keep that in mind also. So help you out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.